Hey guys, it's Jackie and I'm here with Felix. So we have 100 chicken nuggets, which means
we have to split it 50-50 and whoever eats the most chicken nuggets wins.
Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and start because there's a lot and we don't want to make it too long.
Hey guys, I'm finished with my first 10 chicken nugget box. Let's go second one.
4.
She's only on her 4th one.
No, I need 4 more.
Oh, she needs 4 more.
What the heck? How slow do you think I eat?
I don't know. I'm on my second box, so you tell me.
I'm just like, okay.
Go like and subscribe to my friend
Daniel?
To my friend Daniel over here. Go like and subscribe to his videos. He's only 5 years old. He's very proud of himself. He's 6 years old, my bad.
Also known as my brother.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the last one for the first 10.
Loki, I'm digging this thing sour one.
Take this for the girls. Show them that we can win the guys.
You guys are gonna win. Third box.
No.
I need 1, 2, 3.
Like I said, I'm gonna win.
Box.
I'm gonna win,
No.
guys.
That's
It doesn't matter who finishes first, okay? It matters who eats the most. Whoever eats them all.
So what if I finish 50?
If I win, tie. I mean, if I eat all of them.
Okay.
Done. 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 Oh my god.
That's taking 3 hours.
Oh my god. I'm like, no. Don't throw up.
Getting my Minecraft thing.
Oh, well, you're gonna throw up. For a trash can.
Dude, you just hit me.
You're feeling it? Oh, me too.
But guess what? I'm not a scrub, so I'm gonna keep going, guys. What?
Yeah. Wait.
No, you don't.
How many do I need? Wait.
You need 2 more. Yeah, after that one, you need 2 more.
That's why I was like, I thought I only needed 1.
Oh.
He needs 1 more. Oh my god, I forgot.
Told you.
This is winning for men.
Oh, I fucking hate you. I was about to like give
I
up,
could run
and then you
super
said
fast.
that.
I could run super fast.
You need, I just want to smack him and be like, oh, too bad, you're not take 2 of mine.
It's really yummy when you eat 3
Even though he's still gonna
right?
win. What if
Told
Jackie
you.
doesn't finish this? Yes,
Jackie.
you have consequences.
Shut up. You don't have to.
Yes, you have to. You have
You have to eat that ball.
Ah.
No.
I finished.
You have to eat that ball.
How dare you?
I ate
1995.
I don't want to give up, but I'm like ready to throw up.
No.
Eat it. Eat it.
I wonder how long it took you, like 10 minutes?
Okay.
Dang.
Whoa.
You should check the World Guinness Record, maybe.
Dude, you
Maybe
took
I'll-
longer to get the chicken nuggets.
What do you mean?
Oh, you took longer to get the chicken nuggets than to eat them.
You said you were gonna come in half an hour and you came like an hour and then something else. All the chicken nuggets.
Whoa.
She's
Can't even breathe.
So you
dude.
get to eat the rest of the chicken nuggets.
Lakeisha ate them all and then Myra is a failure.
Okay, my name's Myra, I guess.
I'm a crucial.
I'm Myra. Son. Oh, dude.
Oh, getting some cash from a woman, yo.
Guys, it looks like I won. Like a boss.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So I ate 34.
You know, women
Yeah.
always say they're always hungry and they could eat so much and like they want all this food, but guess what? They don't finish it.
Man, come on! Like, this is a lot. Like, do you
Are you
know
gonna
how much
finish it or
chicken
not?
we just ate? Do you know how much, like, much of this
You know
we
how that I won?
Sometimes I make orange jam sweet.
ate?
Well,
So I
guys-
able to eat
Well,
more.
guys, you see? I won.
Whatever.
I won,
You're
guys.
not gonna finish that? No?
The winners get the whole thing
Alright.
of chicken nuggets left.
Oh, okay, so guys, I can't even like breathe. Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below how many you think you can eat, and make sure to click on him or check the links and check out his channel because we have videos that I've done with him, and check out his other videos and give him a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to him also. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you another day.
In the challenge, she couldn't finish him. She only ate like 20.
I ate 30.
For those guys out there, just
34.
get your girls like 50 chicken nuggets. It's only gonna be like $10 or something, and they won't complain about having too much food anymore. They won't complain having less food. And guess what? I won. Let's go.
I'll get you next time.
So that's all for today.
Okay, so then, you saw that? Well done.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Because